Hey guys, T here. Today I want to talk about drill bit blowout. What's drill bit blowout? Well, you're drilling a piece of wood and when the drill bit gets through to the back, it blows out the back and just leaves splinters and it just looks bad. So how can you avoid this? My granddaddy years and years ago showed me a method that works great. You just put a waste piece of wood behind it and the bit's got some support when it goes through the piece of wood that you're cutting and it doesn't blow out. Let's see what that looks like. Blowout. 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 So here's Granddaddy's method. We're going to use a backer board to support the drill bit when it goes through. We're going to put a clamp on here just to keep it together. Here we go, Granddaddy's method with a backer board. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Years ago in high school, they used to have shop classes, woodworking classes. And I had a teacher, Mr. Kilby, who told me another method to avoid this drill bit blowout. And that was just as the drill bit point gets through the back side of the wood, you flip the wood around and you come back in with the same drill bit and cut it from the back side. Cleans it out nicely, no blowout. The problem with Mr. Kilby's method and this kind of drill bit is that the tip's so small and there's not much that can come through before you blast it through. So it's hard to see. So I don't like Mr. Kilby's method for a drill bit this small, or this type of drill bit. So here's the mark of where the point came through. And we're going to line that up and use Mr. Kilby's method. Nice and clean, no blowout. Mr. Kilby's method. A little bit of tear out, but this method works. So that's our drill bit blowout, and I like Granddad's method the best. It's no blowout. Nice little backer board. Works with all three drill bit types. So I like it. That's what I'm going to use. And yes, it is cold here. Please subscribe, guys. I'll see you real soon.